Ever wish you could hit rewind and take your viewers on a journey through time in your animations? Let's get started with our tutorial. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new project. Set your stage size and frame rate. These can vary depending on your animation. Next, let's build our current scene here. We're showing a character standing. This will be our present-day moment. Then, add a new layer for our flashback. We'll place our flashback elements on this layer. Select the exact frame where you want your flashback to start. Let's say frame 100. Right-click and select Insert Blank Keyframe for the flashback layer. This will create a blank canvas for our flashback scene. In this scene, we are going to show the character as a child. Now, imagine the story needs a quick transition. Duplicate the frame where the flashback scene ends. Setting the end of the time lapse, go back to the layer of the present and add a new keyframe that comes right after the end of the flashback in the present. Now, let's create a visual cue for the flashback. One effective method is a blur effect. Select the flashback scene and go to the Properties panel. Add a blur filter. Adjust the blur amount. This changes the intensity of it. To add depth, consider some visual cues like a subtle vignette or a color shift. You can add a vignette by creating a dark circle around the edges of your scene. You can achieve these using shape layers. Experiment with colors. Now, when you play your animation, you'll see a smooth transition to the flashback scene, the child, and back to the present. To reveal can be dramatic with proper timing and effects, and there you have it. You've just created a compelling flashback effect. Remember to practice and experiment to find what works best for your storytelling.